Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to clean your garage floor. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, what you need to do is clear out the garage space before you actually do any of the garage floor cleaning. It's a great time to kind of purge, get organized, take a look at things that you don't use anymore. The more you can get out of your way when it comes to cleaning the garage floor, the easier it's going to be and the better job you're going to do. When it comes to cleaning the garage floor, you really need a bunch of elbow grease and the proper tools. A broom or a push broom certainly will be advantageous to get all the loose material off of the floor, and then some degreaser cleaner, which will really do a nice job because there may be oil deposits or grease that's spilled from the car or the garage door, whatever it might be. If you have spots where there's real discoloration, you may want to use a degreaser full strength right over the top of that and let it sit there for about half an hour or so and use a good scrub brush to really scrub it. Any chunks of paint and whatever you can remove with a putty knife like this to take it up off the floor. But after that, you want to give the floor a good sweeping, and then with the degreasing cleaner of your choice, add that to a bucket of warm water and mop down that floor. This is probably the easiest way to get all the grime and the dirt and the grease off of that floor to get it looking the best it can be. Now, if you choose to, after you get that floor nice and clean, you may want to consider painting it. And that's it. If you need more information, please go to our website, acehardware.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.